guys, today I found this amazing website called ColoringBook.AI. It is such a fun website and it helps you to create amazing digital art. I really love how it's very easy and organized to use.
Let's explore this website. When we click on free coloring pages, we can browse 4,765 free coloring pages and they are all printable. ColoringBook.AI also has a variety of cool designs you could choose to print. You can also make a search. When you tap on the picture, you can view more picture options. Then you can select a picture that you like and you want to print. Now you can download this picture as a PDF file. You can also download it as a PNG. You can also copy it as a URL. So what's next? Let's click on Photo to Coloring page. Here we need to upload our image to convert it into a coloring page. Then you can click on Generate Coloring Page. Once you uploaded your image, you can choose according to your preferences. You can generate multiple copies if required. Then you can click on Generate Now. You can also use premium features once you purchase subscription. You can also download this as a PDF or PNG file. Once you click on the image, this is the coloring page generated by ColoringBook.AI. This is the original image, and you can even slide to compare. Isn't it exciting, friends? Next, we have Text to Coloring page. Once you click on it, you can describe what you want to draw. Once you describe your drawing, click on Generate Coloring Page Now. You can choose your difficulty levels and dimensions. You can generate multiple copies at once. Finally, tap on Generate Now. Now you can see two different pictures. You can download it as a PDF file or you can download it as a PNG file. Here's a quick view to the gallery. There are 236 coloring pages generated by some talented users.
If you're into coloring, you would love this website. You should definitely check it out. It's a lot of fun. It's one of my favorite websites. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.